Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. Now, in today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this free PHONK, drum kit 2021. It's a crazy drum kit, guys. Nice sounds as always, man. I got you 24/7. Always got you, man. So there's some 808s in here, some claps, some hi-hats, some kicks, some percussion, some snares, all that good stuff, to get you started in making crazy funk beats. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like my content, you just like the content that that I'm actually dropping you, my video, if you like this video, anything, man, just give me that like, man. It's necessary. Love for each other out here. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight to it. So I'm gonna start off with the 808s, then I'm gonna head back to the drums. So let me start off with the first 808. Alright, claps. Hi-hats. Alright, kicks. Alright, snares. That's it, man. That's it.
Believers Radio.
So I hope that you actually love it. You love this, and just enjoy yourself as you make crazy banging beats. So let me just say something before I forget. I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you need any of that, just hit me up on my number that's been all up on the screen. Just hit me up and we can talk about it. And also, if you just want to reminisce and talk about music, all that stuff, you can also hit me up, bro. Alright, so that's it. Enjoy the drum kit, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.